that I had a bad time. We just didn't hit it off.
Lady, you are setting your standards too darn high.
Listen, we're driving home the other night, and I look over and he's got his little friend out.
His little friend? You mean...
Yeah, right there while he's driving. So I said to him, pull the car over right now.
My God, you poor thing, that is terrible. So you're gonna see him again?
Jesus, Carol. Look, I gotta go. I'll talk to you later.
Good morning, Helen. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Kevin. Kevin, the butter, it's behind you.
Yes. Yes, it is, Helen.
Do you think you could move out of the way so I can get it?
Well, Helen, I really would like to help you here, but, Helen, I'm really just ahead.
Really, Kevin?
Helen, you look wonderful. Do you have another date tonight?
What? Yeah, a date. Kevin, butter?
Helen, head. So, are you seeing John again? He seemed like a nice guy.
No, I am not seeing him again.
Oh, really? Well, maybe you didn't really seem right for each other after all.
I know, right? I mean, he seemed so nice from his online profile, but after meeting him, Wait, why am I telling this to a head?
Well, I've got to tell you, there are many different things.
So I says to the guy, I ain't fixing that truck. That's a half a man's truck. You want me to fix that truck, you're gonna have to suck on this big guy right here. Ain't that funny?
What? Oh, yeah.
You wanna invite me in?
Oh, no, I don't think that would be a good idea. Good night.
Bitch.
So, how was your date?
So I was watching TV last night with this Morgan Wonder or something, and he was speaking about exactly what I keep saying to you.
Oh, and what's that?
Well, you need to decide what you're looking for before you get into a relationship. You need to figure out what...
Really, Mr. Relationship Expert? No, what exactly are you looking for in a man?
I have very simple needs. Tall, handsome, six-figure income, of course, attentive and loving. And
is it any wonder you're still single?
Well, look who's talking. What are you looking for?
I don't know. I guess I just really want someone I can talk to. I want him to really listen to me. I want to be able to look him in the eye and have him see me. The real me.
Oh, and I really want a guy who speaks Italian.
So I'd really like to see you again if I...
So, I've been working out lately, and look, I moved the butter, just like you wanted.
Guess I just really want someone I can talk to. I want him to really listen. I want to be able to look him in the eye and have him see me. The real me.